Hello friends, now I am going to discuss a topic which is a very important topic in the section of pointers, that is pointer to pointers. So pointer to pointers is nothing but the concept of indirection, that is a pointer holds a value of the address of a variable, specific variable of a specific data type. Suppose a pointer to an integer can hold the address of an integer variable. A pointer to a character can hold the address of a character variable, and so on. So if another pointer is specified in the program to be the pointer to an integer, that means the pointer to an integer can store the address of the pointer variable, which is nothing but the pointer to an integer. In this way, this concept extends to other data types as well. So let me just write a program in order to understand the details and the nitty-gritties into it, so that you can just get inside the concept. So it is a fairly simple concept, but you need to understand it in order to carry forward to studying the subject data structures. So in the case of data structures, we need this concept much, and that's why I'm just going to discuss you for future study of data structures. So let's get started with writing a very sample program. It is a very simple program in which I'm going to explain this concept. So suppose I'm writing here hash include stdio dot h, and then I write the int main section, and I take a variable, suppose int a is equal to 5 or any other value. Now I will take one pointer variable, suppose like this, int star p. So this is one pointer variable, and I will take another pointer variable which is nothing but a pointer to a pointer, which is written in this manner, which is declared in this manner, int star p. Sorry, it will not be p, but it will be any other name. Int star p, int star q. So this is an integer variable a which contains the value 5. This is a pointer to an integer p. This is a pointer to an integer. So this is called int star q. So this is p, this pointer is p, this pointer is q, but this is a pointer to an integer, but this is a pointer to a pointer. So there is a difference between these p and q. So it can be taken up to many levels. The indirection can be just extended to different levels. We will study on that topic further in my upcoming videos, but in this video I will just restrict my explanation to this second level indirection, that is 1 level and this 2 level. So this int star p and this int star q. Now I will assign something like this. I am going to write p is equal to ampersand a. So this is nothing but address of a will be assigned into the pointer variable p. And now I will write q is equal to ampersand p. So I have written the address, I have assigned the address of p into the pointer variable q, which is nothing but a pointer to a pointer, because it points to the pointer. So that's why it is a pointer to a pointer. So now I am going to write some expression statements, some printf statements, in order to make you understand what will get printed in this program. Suppose I can write like this, printf %d a. I write a new line, printf %d a, printf %u, new line. What I am going to print, suppose p. Printf %u new line, I am going to print Q. Suppose I can write another line like this, printf percent d star p, printf percent u star q, printf percent d star ampersand a, printf percent u star ampersand, sorry, I'll just change it a bit, printf percent d star q. Now let me see what we have done. Now I write the return 0 statement. I have written several printf statements. There can be other statements as well in order to make you understand it more and more, but this will suffice the entire concept, suffice the explanation of the entire concept rather. So let me just draw a memory map in order to get you, in order to let you understand. So let me take this a variable be stored in an address of 65586. This is a, suppose a value is 5 I have taken. So this p is nothing but p has been assigned to the address of p, the address of a is assigned to p rather. So p is a pointer to an integer which itself occupies a memory space, suppose 75586, and this contains the address of a, that is 65586. So p has a value of 65586 occupying the memory location 675586. Now I have written what? Int star q. So q is another variable which is a pointer to an integer. So this p is a pointer to an integer, a is an integer variable, and this q is nothing but a pointer to a pointer. So that is, if we just conceptually write the different arrows pointing to each other, I can say that this p points to this location and this q points to this location. So q will contain the address of p. Q will contain the address of p. What is the address of p? Address of p is 75586. So 75586 will be stored over here, and q will itself occupy a memory space. Suppose this is 95586. So this is the memory map which can explain everything what we have written in this program in order to make you understand the concept of pointer to pointers, because it is a very important concept to be applied to the concept of data structures later on. So now the program stands like this. We have put some sample values inside it, and now let's see what we have done. Up to this I have written the memory map, and now I'm going to write the output in order to make you understand what will be the outputs in the different cases. So there will be new lines. So q is printf percent d ampersand printf percent d a. That means we are going to print whatever is in a. So whatever is in a is nothing but 5. So in the first printf statement we are going to get the output of 5. Let's come to the second printf statement. I have written percent u, that is unsigned int. This is the format specifier of unsigned int, and you can easily see understand that this percent u means that we are going to print some address values. So what I have taken over Here, that is I have taken P, and this P will be printed over here. That is P means this one. P means which one? The value of P, which is nothing but an address value. And what is this address? This is the address of A. So this will print 65586. Now comes this line, %UQ. So what will this print? This will print 75586, as you can easily understand. Now this line, we come to this line, and this line says that print a %D new line star P. So P is this one. What is this P? P is nothing but this one, 65586. What is Q? So Q is 75586. This is Q. This is the value of Q. 75586. So I have written over this star P. Star P means value at 65586. So value at 65586 is nothing but 5. So we are going to print 5 over here, and that's why I have taken %D as the format specifier, because we are going to print an integer value. So this 5 will be, the output of this line. So now comes this line, %U. I have written %U. Please take a note of this, because I am going to print an address. So what I am going to print? See, star Q. Star Q means Q is 75586. See this? Q is 75586. And what is star Q? Value at 75586. Value at 75586. That is 75586 is this memory location. What is the value stored in it? The value stored in it is 65586. So we are going to print 65586 as the output of this line. So now comes the next line. Printf %D new line star ampersand A. What is this ampersand A? Ampersand A is nothing but the address of A. Address of A is nothing but 65586. And what is the star of ampersand A? That is the value at this 65586, and that is going to print 5, and that's why I have taken %D as the format specifier. So 5 will be printed from this line. And now comes the last line of this code of this program. Printf %D new line star Q. That is, star Q means whatever is the value at Q. Value at Q means 75586 contains 65586. 65586 and this star Q, and I have taken another star. This star means star of Q. That is, I have to print whatever is in 65586. So this can be taken, this can be thought of in this manner: star of star Q. Star Q means what? Star Q means, I have written here, see this, star Q means 75586, and star Q means what is contained in 75586, that is 65586, this one. So now star Q is 65586 and star of star Q, this line means star of star Q, that is star of 65586, and star of 65586 is nothing but the value 5, and that's why I have written %D as the format specifier, because I am going to print this 5, that is the integer value 5. So this will be also returning the output of 5. So this takes us to the end of this explanation, or the end of the dry run, you can say, of this entire program, which shows the concept of pointers to pointers. So it is an important topic which is to be kept in mind in order to get on with the study of data structures later on. So if you have any doubts or queries in this program, so you can post those doubts and queries in the comment section below so that I can address them. Thanks for watching my video.